Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing amazing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I organize my makeup and skincare and everything else. Don't expect that typical blogger's vanity tour because I don't have a vanity as such, but yes, मेरे पास एक dedicated space ज़रूर है जिसमें I store all my makeup and skincare. But that is also overloaded, and उसके बाद मुझे जहाँ जगह मिली मैं वहाँ रखती गई. So all of the drawers in my house are like filled with my stuff. So finally आज मैं सब कुछ organize करने वाली हूँ so that I can start using all the products properly before they get expired. So before I begin, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And now let's get started. So this basically is where I store my makeup and skincare. You might have seen this in my Amazon haul. You can see what a mess it is. All of these things are like random things. This is the first drawer which has my wallet. I don't know why. इसके अंदर lipsticks दिख रही हैं काफ़ी सारी and some random stuff. कुछ भी organized नहीं है, so मैं सच अभी बता नहीं पाऊँगी. But yes, this is my main makeup brushes and eyeshadows and lashes and everything else. And here we have all of the random stuff. This is like all the new stuff that I received. Abhi tak you can see the boxes. I have not even opened these. And here as well we have some new stuff, my cotton pads and hairbands and everything else, a clear mess. So I'm going to take all of this out and then we'll start organizing. So मैंने सारे drawers यहाँ पे रख लिए निकाल के, and apart from these 4 drawers I also have these purple storage boxes. I got these from D-Mart. They're like very affordable. 200 या 300 रुपए में ये 3 boxes आए थे, and they're also very useful in storing any kind of stuff you want. So now I'm going to quickly start organizing and I will see you in a bit. I was actually getting very bored, so I got this speaker. I'm going to listen music on this while I organize this mess. So you might have seen this speaker in my monthly favorites. I'll link that video in for you guys. So गाने सुनते सुनते I am going to organize all of this. Guys, just look at this. I've just cleaned these 2 drawers and इतना सारा waste निकला है इसके अंदर से. I mean, all of these are like empty boxes. I've taken out stuff from all of these boxes and finally I'm going to start using them. God, long way to go. Still these many drawers are left. So guys, I'm finally done organizing these drawers. Let me just show you how have I organized them, and let me just take you through each one of them. So this is what the top looks like. Obviously aesthetically pleasing nahi hoga, but anyways, this is candle from Bath and Body Works. This is a mirror that I used to do my makeup, and this is my Bluetooth speaker. Next, I've changed the order of these drawers, which you'll see. First drawer में I've kept all of the new stuff that I need to start using. I've kept these storage boxes, dividers, which I got from D-Mart. यहाँ पे सारा मैंने अपने nail paints रखे हैं, which I use regularly along with some cotton and nail paint remover. And in this we have all of the new stuff that I need to try. We have this moisture surge, 2 moisture surge, face oil, body lotion, some aloe vera gel, face oil again, and some toner and a lot of skincare and random stuff basically. The next drawer is all my makeup. This is something which I didn't really organize because मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया इसमें क्या ही organize करूँ मैं. But this is what it looks like. Let me just take this out and then show you इसके अंदर क्या क्या है. So this is what the drawer looks like. It looks messy, but trust me, I know where each and everything is kept. These are all the eyeshadow palettes. We have this one from Maybelline. This is Color Bar. So basically सारी eyeshadow palettes हैं यहाँ पे. And then आगे की तरफ I kept all the face palettes, like this one from Wet n Wild. And then we have some blush, highlighters and loose powder. On this side we have the foundations, Milani, Maybelline Fit Me, some foundation and one makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. And this particular thing is my makeup brush holder. I got this again from D-Mart. This is like very cheap. See, 39 rupees ka hai. So these are like half of my brushes, mostly face brushes. Like ये blush brush है from nykaa, then this is a concealer brush from Wet n Wild. So randomly face brushes हैं ये सारे. And this particular holder is from Fast Track. Oh, by the way, I've kept all of this in one of the nykaa boxes that I received. I mean, जब हम कुछ भी order करते हैं तो cardboard box में आता है. So that's that. There is no other box. So ये Fast Track watch थी इसके अंदर. मैंने इसके अंदर सारी अपनी आई पेंसिल्स एंड मस्काराज रखे हैं. Let me just show you a few. This is the Nykaa's brow pencil. Then we have Maybelline mascara, some eye pencil from Swiss Beauty, Wet n Wild. Then एक eyeliner है K Beauty का. So all of the eye stuff is here in this box. And then we have another foundation from Nykaa. And these are like all of my concealers. Maybelline, Wet n Wild concealers यहाँ पे इस corner में है. And outside this box I have got all my lashes. These are like all of my lashes from Red Cherry, from Nykaa. These सारी lashes हैं. And over here I have got a primer, foundation and another primer. इसकी जगह नहीं बची थी, so I kept it here. And over here I've got another drawer which has this is again एक घड़ी का डब्बा है from Fossil. So this has all my beauty blenders and makeup sponges. And यहाँ पे again I've got this Amazon का box. इसके अंदर I've got all my lipsticks. These are all the lipsticks. Lakme. We have Sugar. And then I've got Nykaa. नहीं, Miss Clear की है ये. Then we have L'Oreal. So basically all the lipsticks are kept in here. And then these are my rest of the brushes. These are all eye brushes. So this is a makeup pouch from Nykaa only. So इसके अंदर मैंने अपने सारे eye brushes रखे हैं. And this is another one. I've got two boxes again here. काफ़ी यूज़फुल होते हैं cardboard boxes भी. So इसके अंदर random stuff है which I don't know इनका क्या करना है. Random है, can't even throw it away and can't even use them. And this box, I'll just take it out and show you. Makeup that I need to try. These are from My Glam. Eyeliner है, eyebrow product है. This is the highlighter. Again a highlighter and some eyeliners and highlighters. So basically ये सारा new makeup है which I need to start using. To the last drawer which is very random. These are my hair bands. इसके अंदर सारी मेरी jewelry है and I've got some cotton pads. And this is like all of the new stuff which I've stored for giveaway. So if you're interested in the giveaway, please let me know. ये सारा giveaway का सामान है and nothing else. So very random and the least useful drawer सबसे नीचे रखा है मैंने. This is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I know I don't have a lot of makeup compared to the other YouTubers and beauty bloggers, but still this is too much for me. And I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, and also please subscribe to my channel and turn the notification bells on so that you get notified each time I upload a video. And I will see you in my next video.